In the last episode, we finalized the boat purchase. We did lots of boat repairs. We recertified our life raft and picked up our max prop. We sold our truck and RV, purchased a dinghy, and moved on to the boat, finally setting sail to Alaska. days after moving in and then doing passage. We're on day 3. We had no time to pick up or put away. Luckily, the rest of the boat does not look like this.
Well, I'm heading through Seymour Channel. Ebb tide going out, and things are going great. Doing about 9 knots, and we're in 661 feet of water. Kind of awesome. Bunch of trawlers around us. We're all heading north. Canadian Customs won't let us anchor, so we've just been running around the clock. We've probably got another 72 hours to go.
Ellie. Yeah, that's cool.
People trying to get down. Yeah.
mean the U.S. flag, and we also have the Alaska flag. Anyway, we're cruising. I hope we'll be in Ketchikan soon.
Hit the record button.
After running nonstop from Anacortes, Washington to Ketchikan, Alaska, we took a break so that we could refuel our tanks, clean our laundry, change the fuel filter, clean out the sieve under the sink, change the oil, and descale the engine while it was running, and get some sleep.
I got water if you want to read.
Okay, I'll go rinse this outside. Oh, that looks so gorgeous.
Okay. And you always expect a little bit of overflow right here.
Okay.
There's a little spring in there that you're fighting against. Now that I'm doing this, I remember about it.
That's good to know.
Yeah.
You're doing 4 gallons, and what do you think that is? A gallon?
Yeah.
So we're really low on oil, so we need to stop every day and just check and top off oils for future. So now you're putting in
Yeah, I put in this, the oil stop leak,
oil stop leak.
which keeps the rear main seal seals.
Okay, keeps all the
conditioned, so-
seals conditioned.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. So we do one of those first. Do we have any more of those, or do we?
Yeah, there's a couple.
Okay, there's a couple more. Okay, perfect. Nice. Oh yeah, okay, I see the color. It should be,
Yeah, it's like caramel.
yeah. After running the motor all the way from Anacortes to Ketchikan, we decided to descale the engine. Carl had a trick where we could descale it quickly while the engine was running. So we followed his lead and bought vinegar from town, heated it over the stove, poured it into buckets, and he sucked the vinegar through the engine.
all right. We are getting ready to leave. In that little time where it looks like
That's Brendan and Tyler and Seal fishermen getting ready with their nets. We are getting ready to head out. Not sure if we're going to go to Petersburg or go around and do some more sailing. Got to do a little sailing today when we headed out of Ketchikan. And amazingly, we've been beating the weather all the way up. It's been wonderful. In the next episode, we cruise to Sitka, our home port, stopping along the way to anchor in Kaufman Cove, as well as docking in Petersburg for supplies and Warm Springs for a nice bath. We go up the mast and we make new dock lines. We are parked in Sitka. home port.